Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change character in Archero 2. In Archero 2, you'll unlock the characters section once you level up enough, usually around the time you finish stage 5. Once it's available, you can find it beside the gear tab on the left. From there, you can switch between any characters you own and play as your favorite. By default, Alex is unlocked, but other heroes will require hero fragments to obtain. These fragments can be collected through events, special shops, or guild shops, and once you've gathered enough, you'll be able to unlock and use those characters. Remember, each hero has unique abilities, so try out different ones to see which best fits your needs. And of course, your playstyle. And that's all it takes to change your character in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.